In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Klarna to Google Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have a Klarna card registered to your account, you will be able to link it to Google Pay. You can do this process by using the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. Go into the mobile app and make sure that you are signed into your account. Switch over to the Wallet tab, and in here you will be able to manage all the cards that you have attached to your account. If you haven't already, you will be able to set up a virtual Klarna card, so tap the Add option and follow through the instructions to create your payment card. You will be able to choose from a variety of stores, and what you have to do is input the payment plan that you want to use with that card, the payment method, that is your actual card, and you will be able to create a digital card through Klarna. Once you are done with this process, it will be listed on the card option, so continue. And once you see your Klarna card listed in your wallet, you will be able to find this option underneath your card, Add to Google Pay. Of course, if you are on iOS, you are going to see the Apple Wallet button instead. But as long as you tap on the Add to Google Pay option, you will be immediately redirected to Google Pay or your Google Wallet, where you can read the terms and conditions and agree that you want to link both accounts. So as long as you go over to the Klarna mobile app and you select the Add to Google Pay option, you are going to be redirected to the app where you can finish setting up your Klarna card. It will then appear on your Google Wallet where you can use it to make purchases whenever you select Google Pay as the payment method. Make sure that the card is properly set up inside of the Klarna mobile app, and everything will be transported into Google Pay automatically. All that you have to do is use the latest version of both apps, and you will be redirected to the Google Pay app or your wallet where you can finish setting everything up. You will be able to do this process with any Klarna card that you have at any time. Even if you change cards eventually, you will be able to repeat it fully. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Klarna to Google Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.